Welcome to Hari Chemistry. The topic is solutions class 12 chemistry. Okay. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe my channel, students. Thank you. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss what is solution. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute in a solvent. Okay. So solution, how we can define solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute in a solvent. Solute in a solvent. So here solute and solvent. Solute in a solvent. So we can call it solution. So generally it is a binary it means a solution contains binary components. Binary components. So binary components means nothing but two components are present in a solution. Here, what are the components? Solute plus solvent. That is equal to solution. So solute plus solvent is equal to solution. So in this solution, we have two components. One is solute and another one is solvent. So generally the solute is present in a solution in small amount. So in a solution the solute is present in small amount. In a solution the solvent is present in greater amount. Okay, clear? So the solute present in a solution, the solute present in small amount, and in a solution the solvent will be present in larger amount or greater amount. Okay. How we can define a solute? How we can define a solute? So solute is a substance. Solute is a substance that is dissolved in solvent. Okay. So how we can define a solute? Solute is a substance that is dissolved in solvent. That is dissolved in solvent. Right. Next, what is solvent? Solvent is a substance. Solvent is a substance that is dissolves solute. Okay. So solvent is a substance. It dissolves solute. It dissolves solute, but the solute is dissolved in solvent, that is solute. So these two are very, very important. Okay. So clear, student? So what is solute? Solute is a substance that is dissolved in solvent. Solvent is a substance that is dissolves solute. Okay. So here generally always the solvent dissolves a solute. Okay. So example we will see, that is a solution of sugar in water. Sugar in water. So sugar in water means sugar is the less amount and water is the solvent. Sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. So here it is a sugar syrup, or here it is a sugar solution. Here it is a sugar solution. Okay, right. Next, a solution of sodium chloride in water. So that is, we can call it as brine solution. We can call it as brine solution. A solution of ammonia in water. Ammonia in water. That is equal to ammonia solution. That is equal to ammonia solution. So clear here? The sugar is the solvent, sugar is the solute, sodium chloride is a solute, ammonia is a solute. All these solutes are present in, or these solutes are dissolved in water. So it forms their corresponding solution. So that is a sugar solution, brine solution and ammonia solution. Okay. So these are about the basic concepts of solute, solvent and solutions. Okay, clear students? So classification and classification and types of solutions. Classification and types of solutions. Okay, clear? Right. So the first one, classification 1. Classification 1. Classification 1. So the classification 1. So classification 1, it indicates that it is based on the amount of solute in a given mass of solvent, amount of solute which is present in the given amount of or the given mass of solvent. Class solutions are classified into two types. Solutions are classified into two types. That is dilute solutions. Dilute solutions. The second one is concentration solutions. Concentration solutions. Dilute solutions and concentration solutions. So, what is dilute solution? First of all, so we will take two containers right here. So one, two container. So they take the small. Here it is a 0, 50, 100 ml. Here also 0, 50, 100 ml. So you can take the same quantity of water here. Here also, right? So add small amounts of small amount of salt. Small, you are adding small amount of salt. Okay, so here also add large amount of large amount of large amount of salt. So here we are adding, so excess amount of salt, large greater amount of salt we are adding. So here the second case we are adding more amount of salt here, but here we are adding the small amount of salt. So based on this phenomena, we will define what is a dilute solution and what is already I think. So here what is indicates that a solution in which the amount of solute, here the salt is a solute, here clear, right? So what is dilute solution? A solution in which the amount of solute is relatively small, is relatively small when compared to the amount of solvent, when compared to the amount of solvent in the given mass is called dilute solutions. Is it clear, student? Right? So what is dilute solution? A solution in which the amount of solute is relatively small when compared to the amount of solvent in the given mass is called dilute solution. Okay, clear, right? So in dilute solution, the amount of solute is in small scale. Okay, clear, right? So what is concentrated concentration solution? A solution in which the amount of solute, here it is a sodium chloride, here it is a salt is a solute. Okay, so a solution in which the amount of solute is relatively large when compared to the amount of solvent, when compared to the amount of solvent, when compared to the amount of solvent in the given mass is called concentration solution. Clear, right? So in dilute solution, the solute quantity is less. In concentration solution, the quantity of solute is large. Okay, clear. So this is classification 1. So it is based on the amount of solute. It is based on the amount of solute, that is classification 1. Okay, clear, right? Next.